So we're getting married today.
An order for room service or in-room dining? Ooh, do we want to wait an hour?
We can go find food.
No. We'll go find. Is it gonna be like that like all week, or is it just because it's a weekend?
It's not a weekend no more, hon. It's Monday.
No, I understand. We're gonna try. We're here all week, so we'll keep trying. But I think this morning we're gonna go fend for ourselves. She said the buffet opens at 8, which we don't need to go do that again already because we know what they have to offer. The Avenue Cafe. We should go there.
Where's that?
It's like we've walked by it 16 times. It's right before the buffet. It was straight ahead right when you walk into the hotel. It's right by the bar if you just kept going straight.
Okay.
She said that it's opening in a couple minutes, so.
So we're getting married today. I think what we're gonna do is go get something for breakfast. Last night we went out to eat with my sister and
Went to Wolfgang Puck's.
my niece, and then we went to the Bellagio and saw the water show, and
Way better than fireworks.
and then we went and gambled a little bit there, and then we came back because I was so tired. I mean, Chris could have went all night, but I couldn't. I was just so tired because of getting up early, getting on the airplane, and all that stuff, and just all the stuff that kind of stressed me out yesterday, which I'm hoping today nothing stresses me out.
You're
But
getting so stressed.
but yeah, so then we just got back. I took a nice long bath. That felt good. But today we are going to be getting married, so we're gonna go find something to eat, and then Chris has to go rent a tux, and I'm thinking that I might actually rent a dress.
You might not have to rent. Maybe just look and see. Are these options better than what I have?
Yeah, because my dress that I have is...
You made it yourself, and you're very self-conscious.
My dress is, it's just very big and bulky that being in Vegas, it might not be my jam. I don't know. And I'm just scared because the back of it, I had to put a lot of work into it, and yeah, so I don't know. But I don't think I'm gonna put any makeup on to go get me breakfast.
I know
Look
I'm
at my
not.
hair. My hair is all curly, and I
wish people could see me.
I did this treatment on it, but I guess the treatment that I did isn't to make your hair straight. It was to make your hair not so frizzy. So yeah, but I think that's our game plan. That's what we're gonna do.
I bet you if people could see in here, I'd give Hooters a run for their money.
Oh shoot. Okay, so yeah, that's the game plan so far. What we're gonna do. I have horrible bags underneath my eyes.
Oh shoot, we need to call your mom and tell her not to get room service because it's gonna be over an hour.
Yeah, so okay, we'll see you guys later. So we're not going to get what is it called,
Room service
because there was an hour wait, so we're going downstairs to eat at the cafe. We're gonna meet and pick. I think my mom's gonna go eat with us too. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Look at my hair.
Do we want them making our bed?
I don't care. They can do what they want. If they don't feel like doing anything, they don't gotta do anything.
Don't need towels or something.
Yeah, we do need towels. We
I was
do.
just gonna tell them to make a note at 3:40 if they want to lay in bed, they can, but we just need towels because I don't want to move in a whole bunch of stuff to clean.
Yeah.
I don't want to go back and spend an hour trying to look for stuff.
So we're gonna go get breakfast right now.
Maybe.
What you doing, Christopher? You scared me.
What is that? Yeah, it tastes really good after you brush your teeth, huh? Right?
Stop. It's not bad.
Well, duh. It's alcohol.
It's champagne.
You're upside down.
Oh my gosh. This is why I can't have him film. He is the worst.
It's like on the right hand side up a little bit. Some sort of a bird. Oh, there's your tram.
Yeah, there's the tram, yeah.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop northbound is Bally's and Terrace Las Vegas Station. Welcome aboard. Federal law requires all passengers wear a mask while riding. Failure to comply may result in denial of boarding or removal and penalties under federal law. Thank you for your cooperation. Our next stop is the closest station to the Bellagio and its iconic fountain show.
Oh, babe, look at it down here. Look at it down here. Menopause. Tape face?
You don't remember him?
No, and it's the funniest show in Las Vegas.
He was on America's Got Talent. He was one of the finalists. That's usually what happens to those people. Oh, buddy, he's the guy from the Cake
Boss? Yeah, this is where we gotta stay next time. Will you get a picture with me here? Ducky, ducky.
So the Aces of Comedy, that's just, they come here to perform. They're not all here right now.
Oh. Got his name.
Wayne Newton.
Wayne Newton.
So he came up with the idea for the Win and the Young. But then I think somebody stole his idea.
I want a picture. I don't know where ours is, to be honest.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little And we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around. And then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be
I can't eat like I used to.
I know.
So are you gonna walk out of there with a timeshare? No.
Oh yeah, what day are
You
you
probably aren't even gonna make it.
Oh, let's just be honest. It's
tomorrow?
tomorrow at 7:45 or no, 8:15. Do you think I'm gonna make it?
I think if you make
Morning.
it there,
And-
you'll get a timeshare.
8:15 in the morning.
Yeah.
Well, we'll be awake. Totally honest, if she sets her alarm clock for 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow just to get the kids up at 6, it's probably gonna be the end of the marriage. Not gonna be happy.
What you need to do is Next Wave Duo has a video coming out. Big
People.
drop.
World premiere.
We're actually live right
4
now. I think
hours
we're
long.
gonna-
You're gonna what?
We're gonna go watch like the water show and the Mirage show and the Treasure Island one tomorrow night.
Okay.
Because Wednesday night we got the show and Thursday we're leaving. So
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
No, what Treasure Island? They took the ship all day.
They paved over